Georgia Republican Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene testified under oath in court this morning. This all centers on a lawsuit trying to ban the controversial Congresswoman from running for re-election over her alleged role in the Capitol assault. NBC's Blayne Alexander has been following this story all day from Atlanta for us. So, Blayne, tell us what Congresswoman Greene said in court today.
Well, Aaron, that testimony is still going on. She's been on the stand for just under an hour in this hearing here behind me in downtown Atlanta. And now, the first part of the hearing really kind of was a course in constitutional history. This entire thing centers around a provision on the 14th Amendment that a group of Georgia voters have filed, essentially saying that she should be ineligible to run for a second term. She shouldn't be on the ballot because of, they say, her alleged role in the January 6th attacks. Now, her attorney has been strongly saying she wasn't somebody who had a role in this and planning it. She was a victim herself. But what we're hearing on the stand is the attorney for those voters pointing to a series of tweets from the Congresswoman, casting doubt on the results of the 2020 election. Recently, a line of questioning centered around a quote where she was quoted in an article essentially saying that Speaker Nancy Pelosi is a traitor. So those are the types of questions that we're hearing in this hearing so far. And the judge early in the hearing actually labeled her a combative witness, a hostile witness. Here's one exchange that we heard earlier this morning. Take a look.
If somebody broke the law in a way designed to interfere with the process of counting the Electoral College votes, that person would be an enemy of the Constitution.
You mean interrupting Congress? Is that what you're referring to?
Doing anything unlawfully to interfere with the process of counting the electoral votes.
Interrupting Congress, like when the Democrats interrupted Congress and had a sit-in on the House floor and stopped Congress?
And Aaron, I want to talk about the significance of this. Of course, it goes beyond Atlanta, it goes beyond Georgia. This really could be noteworthy in the precedent that it sets with possible other challenges for other lawmakers around the country. The other piece of this is that it's garnering a lot of attention. Former President Trump put out a rather lengthy statement in her support yesterday. Representative Matt Gaetz is inside of this hearing. He's been tweeting about it. There's been a lot of eyes on this particular proceeding in the precedent that it could possibly set. Aaron.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.